What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today we are doing a 1-year review on my 2019 Road Glide special. Yes, sir. Let's get into it. Alright, kinfolk. So if you've been following the channel, man, you know that the 2019 Road Glide is new to me. I had Old Blue before, and I just got this thing July 2nd, 2019. So what, 13 days ago was 1 year that I've had the Road Glide. And let me tell you, if you have not watched my video when I first got the Road Glide, the things I did not like about the Road Glide, go ahead and go check that video out. It's gonna be up above here. Click it, watch it, and let's see if you agree with me if you own a Road Glide. And then now I'm going to give you my 1-year review and basically let you know the things that I absolutely love about this bike. I've been on, let's see, I've got a little over 9,207 miles on the bike. And I took it on our first long trip. If you've been watching the Hill Country Adventures, that's the first actual long trip that that I've taken this bike on. Basically only because due to, you know, Rona. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to the things that I absolutely love about this bike. So we're gonna start up here in the dash. The things that I love, man, are this radio. So the radio is absolutely amazing. No matter where you look, or no matter where the sun's at, you can see this radio any time of the day. Okay, if the sun's even beaming straight down on it, somehow it reflects, and like all the letters and everything are just super bright, man. Like, you know, on your phone, if the sun hits it, it ends up going dark and you can't see shit. Not this. This radio right here, man, is amazing. Absolutely love it. Love that it's touchscreen. Everything's touchscreen, and I really like it, man. I really like the radio. You know, on the Old Blue, it was a 2010, so I had the old radio and stuff, man. But I've never had a screen like this, a big screen. Never been touchscreen or whatever. But I absolutely love this radio. The next thing that I absolutely love about the Road Glide is when I bought the Road Glide, the handlebars were already on the Road Glide. Okay, I did not ask them what brand they were. I've had a lot of questions, man, about the brand of the bars, and honestly, I do not know. It's gonna be whatever brand the Harley dealership uses, because they were installed at the dealership from the dealership. Okay, it wasn't something that I bought and had them install. Everything was done there. So the handlebars I absolutely love. I love the design, the way they look, man. The angle of them, I adjusted them a little bit, brought them back to me some more, but I think they're amazing, man. They're comfortable, perfect height. They are 14s, and just amazing. So that's the second thing. Okay, the other thing is, let's move to the whole bike. The color of this bike grabbed my attention so quick. Even though it's not bright and vibrant, you know, it's a flat color, and it's a matte color. So even though it's not super bright, super vibrant, man, the color just grabbed my attention. I absolutely love this color, this denim gray. I think that's the correct name for it. I'll look it up and post it. But just amazing, kinfolk. I mean, I get a lot of compliments on this bike, a lot. And Old Blue got a lot of compliments too, but Old Blue stood out. You know, the blue, man, just popped. When I was looking for the bike, for a new bike, I absolutely wanted another blue bike, but I could not find one, man. I couldn't find the color that I liked. I almost went for a 2016, which was the same color. It was an Ultra, Road Glide Ultra, but it had a bunch of chrome. So that's let's jump to the next thing then. The other thing I absolutely love about this bike is how it's blacked out. I mean, it's a special, so everything, well, I say everything, mostly everything, if you watch my other videos, see what I'm talking about. Mostly everything is blacked out on this bike, and I absolutely love it, man. So that's what I was trying to go for. With Old Blue, I started to black things out, but I mean, I'd have to tear that whole thing apart to do it, man. There's so much chrome on there. But this one already came with a lot of black stuff, man. Blacked out items, and absolutely drew me to the bike. Okay, so let's go to another thing that I absolutely love about this bike. The wheels. I think the wheels are so sick, man. The design of them, the way they look, just so dope, so dope. And yeah, so, and they're black also, so that's, I really enjoy that, man. I like how they look. I like how they look on the bike, and so that's another thing that I absolutely love. Another thing would be, and this may be the last thing, but I have the 114 motor in here. The motor, man, has so much torque and power on this bike. It blew my mind. So I came from a Old Blue had a 98, and yeah, I think it's 98, 96. I think it's 96, because my Road King before that had an 88, and then I jumped to a 96, and then this one's got the 114. Man, it's just so much torque and power. Like, I'm in 5th gear right now, and you just get on it, man, and it'll just start taking off. And Old Blue had a hard problem with doing that when I was in the higher gears. But yeah, so the motor, man, is another thing that I absolutely love about this bike. Just the torque in the low end and even in the higher end range is off the chain. Of course, I would love to add a full exhaust and, you know, air cleaner and tune it and get a little more out of it, but as of right now, this 114 stock is amazing. So those are some things, man, that I absolutely love about this bike. And you know, when I was, like I said, when I was looking for the bike, I wanted something that was blacked out. I wanted something that, you know, really wasn't out there too much. And actually, before I bought this bike, I hadn't seen this color out there too much. But then after I bought the bike, of course, you notice the color is everywhere. So I don't know, man. Maybe it's not, maybe it is still everywhere. I don't know. But the bike really caught my attention. And one of the main things that caught my attention about it was the handlebars and the color. So yeah, absolutely love it. So let's see, again, July 2nd, man, was my 1-year anniversary. The bike does amazing. Like I said, we took it on a trip. It does amazing on the trip. It did amazing, should I say. And I had no problems with it, man. The only issue that I did have was the voltage regulator went out, and that's a little weird to me because the bike's only a year old, right? So I really did not understand that, but you know, things happen, I guess. I am super stoked that I ended up buying a 2019 Road Glide Special. It's just, you know, it's the bike of my dreams, and this is absolutely my dream bike right here. So there is nowhere I can go from here, right? As far as model, brand, style, all that stuff, man. This is it right here. Of course, yeah, I'm gonna add, you know, I could add a lot more stuff to it. Hopefully in the future I can. I've done quite a bit to it already, and as far as like, you know, I would love to start doing some motor work to it and stuff like that, but that'll be definitely in the future. So let's hope I can get that done as well. The handling, man, of the bike is okay as far as suspension, right? The actual handling with, you know, the bike itself, I love it, but the suspension, not too much. But you know, it's okay. It'll do. I definitely would love to swap that out as well. I think that's gonna do it, kinfolk. That's, you know, it's not an in-depth review of the Road Glide, but it's my review, right? And I'm just letting y'all know what I think of my beautiful bike. So if you have any interest in getting a Road Glide, I would definitely recommend you going out, test riding one, and seeing what you think, man, because let me tell you, the bike is amazing. Best bike I've ever ridden, man. No lie. No lie. So, yeah. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, kinfolk. I appreciate y'all watching, man. I really, really appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up while you're there as well, because that really helps out the channel. And yeah, so I guess I'll let y'all go now. Until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.